All right, what up, ecom bosses? How's it going today? I haven't made a video in a while. And I'm gonna be honest with you. There are reasons I haven't made a video in a while, and it's more, you know what? It definitely leans towards me just being lazy. But I will admit that I've been putting so much work into my business in the last few months that it's absolutely insane. Like that's kind of the reason that I haven't really been posting as much as, I've been focusing on my business more, and the hours that I'm not doing anything, I have school, so it's more like either I'm working on my business, I'm doing schoolwork, or I'm just like relaxing with my friends, drinking, and at nights or whatever with my buddies on the weekends, or it's just chilling out and just not doing anything for a little bit because really my days are jam packed. One thing after another. And the thing about what we do as entrepreneurs, what we do as potential business owners, like we're trying to start something, right? Things aren't handed to you on a silver platter saying, hey, this is what you got to do for your specific business. This is how you're supposed to do it. There's obviously a framework that comes to you with businesses, but that framework, it applies to everyone, but there's internal processes that have to happen in each business in order for that business to succeed, right? So it's like, I have this framework, but I need to put all these processes in place. I don't know how to do it. I need to search for answers. I need to learn how to do it, and then I just need to take action and do it, right? Now, you don't get that opportunity. I mean, for schoolwork, it tells you what to do, how to do it. But as a business owner, it takes so much time. It consumes so much energy to figure out how to do certain processes, to figure out how to do certain things in your business. And if you're at that certain level, you might understand that too. Obviously, when you're first starting out, you're trying to get that first sale. There's definitely a system in place to get that first sale. It's basically proper ad, proper targeting, proper landing page, and you can get a conversion, right? But what you do with that conversion, at scale, you got to put more processes in. So the last 3 months, I've been really working on creating a process for my business, a customer journey. And that's been my goal from the very beginning. But at the very beginning, like I just said, it was more about just getting that first sale. And that information tends to be brought to people right up front. And that's why I want to be transparent with you guys. I know I haven't been, around for a while, but I want to be transparent with you guys because you get that first sale, but what do you do after? That's the thing that people don't really talk about that means so much to your business. It's not even funny. Like, I'm starting to put in, I have high ticket offers. So basically someone can buy my initial product for $37 and I could break even or make money do it, which I've been recently making more money on my front end offer than I usually have before. And there's certain processes that I'm gonna talk about at the end of the video. You should definitely stay for that because I've been getting conversions for like $12, $13 on my $40 profit product. So that's like a 3-4 ROAS. Either way, I'll talk about that at the end of the video and how I'm planning on scaling that up to the next level. But right now, I want to really explain to you guys what I've been doing and what you guys should be kind of focusing on in the future of your business. Maybe if you're just starting out, get that first sale. But in the future of your business, I don't want you guys to like put this off, right? Building out processes that can allow you to scale to the next level is what really determines a business that succeeds from a business that fails. At first, I was selling something and relying on one product with a couple back-end sales, right? To a certain small scale. What you gotta be doing is really putting through emails, putting through retargeting, putting through messenger bots, putting through phone communication with the customer. Say you wanna have them put their phone number in when they order your product so you can follow up with them in the future. You could text them, you could call them in the future if you want to buy something else. Now, this is my process that I'm putting in place right now, and I'm trying to get this targeted down. Basically, is what I just told you. I've also been working on, I just hired one customer service representative, 3 hours a week, $7 an hour, not bad at all. She's from the Philippines. You know what? I could have paid her $4 an hour. I'm generous. I'm making money. Why not pay this lady enough money so that she sticks through, does the job well, and does it for me for as long as I want her to, do it for me or train other people. So I'm paying her well, $7 an hour, whatever. Wow, I completely lost thought. No, I know what I'm saying now. So these processes I'm putting in place will allow a customer to have me in their mind from the moment they purchase from them, from the moment they purchase something else from me. And that something else isn't going to be just some other $37 product. This something else is going to be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 down the road after they like, know, and trust my brand so that they can go and buy something a lot more higher ticket. Now, I'm not going to go and sell something for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 right off the bat. I'm not going to target someone cold for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, or say high ticket. That's my high ticket range. I'm not going to go target someone and just try to sell them that, because that wouldn't work. Now, think about it. You sell a product for X amount of dollars, I'd say low tickets anywhere from $100 to $0. You should probably try those ranges for cold traffic, because that's very, very easily sellable to cold people. And down the road, and you break even on that. And you send them emails, you send them messenger bots, you send them phone calls and phone text messages. They know you, and now they kind of like you, and they trust you. They like your product, they like what you have to offer. You give them on a sales call a month down the road, 15 days down the road. They see you, they like you, they trust you, they like your product. And you're able to close out of the, let's say you got 1,000 sales at break even, and you're able to close 20% of those sales at $1,000 each. That's $20,000 of sales that you would have missed out on if you didn't have these processes in place, right? The processes is what makes a business what it is. Like Coca-Cola, they send out an ad, Coca-Cola, you bought from them the first time. Do you remember the first time you bought from them? Probably not. Okay? You know them, you like the product, you trust them, you're going to buy Coca-Cola some more. So why isn't that with the same brand that you have? Right? Why isn't this, it's the same. It is the same. The product, the customer buys the first time, 15 days, a month, 2 months go by, and they finally look at an email, click a link, take you to a sales call, you get called, you close them, boom, $1,000 in your pocket that you didn't have before from free traffic that you've already acquired from your previous customers. So that's kind of my explanation of how to put the processes that I'm putting in place right now for my business. And I think that every business should have that kind of process in order to get to the next level, and that includes scalability. So if you have to hire a customer support representative, hire a customer support representative. They'll train easily. You just gotta train them, right? You gotta put email templates, text message templates, whatever it is. But earlier in the video, I was saying that you should wait up to the end of the video. Now I'm nearing towards the end of the video for this one key thing that I've realized helps incredibly a lot, right? Targeting worldwide. Target worldwide, and you can create so much data on your prospect customer that you wouldn't have been able to create if you just did US, if you just did the core 4. Because when you just do the US or the core 4, ad costs are so much more expensive. It's insane. Like, I was getting an add to cart for $1. So for every dollar I spent, I got one add to cart. Spend $100, get 100 add to carts. Okay? Spend $1,000, you get 1,000 add to carts, which is insane pixel data. Insane pixel data. But the thing is I'm also breaking even. 1,000 add to carts, a certain percentage of those people are going to buy, and that breaks even for the ad costs. And you're continuing to create perfect and reliable data for your pixel to learn and what a purchase is, to learn what an add to cart is, what a page view is, excuse my language, whatever. And you can take that data and you can spread it out amongst your LLAs in the US and worldwide. Quite frankly, you make a lookalike audience based on worldwide audiences. You get 1% audiences for 30 million people. You understand the power of that. You're not going to get ad fatigue as fast if you have 30 million people in your audience versus 2 million people. You're not going to get ad fatigue as fast as if you have 200 million people in your audience versus 20 million people. It's all about creating more data and more knowledge for Facebook to find your target customer and really scale that up. Now, one last thing before I go. You have to keep it in your mind that you can do this. You have to keep on telling yourself that eventually it's going to break through and eventually you're going to be making a lot of money. Like, I'm at a point right now where I'd like to be. Obviously, a year ago, I wanted to be at the point I am right now, and I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for where I am. I think it's incredible what I'm doing and what the potential that there is in this entire, Facebook ads, Google ads, the amount of people you can reach in the matter of dollars within 10, 20 minutes. You would not, this has never been seen before. This is like the new era of marketing, the new era of advertising. So like the potential is insane. When you see numbers like an audience with 200 million people, if you tap into 1 million of those people at making money, and you're making money per sale, you're making like $4 or $5 million, and that's doable. So it's like, I'm grateful for where I am, but the potential I see, and the potential you guys should be seeing for this entire advertising possibility, e-commerce possibility, is out of this world. I mean, you can make $10, $20 million. You can make $100 million. Look at Amazon. Jeff Bezos has $200 billion. His net worth is $200 billion. Why? Because he's tapped into the mass market. He knows how to get to his brand name. People know, like, and trust his brand to the mass markets. There's billions of people out there that are gonna buy. Billions. Which is why you can get some of them. You can get a handful and you can make millions of dollars. You can get like a pinch of people, sprinkle them into your sales system, and you can make millions of dollars. So keep that goal in mind. Keep your heads up. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna start making more videos here. I know I've been lacking. I've been in hard times like the last couple months. Either way, ecom bosses, let's get it.